FEtv. I'm Kara Backman, Marketing Manager at Franklin Empire, and today we have Danielle Chenier from Burndy. Thank you, Danielle, for being here today.
Thank you, Kara.
So Burndy is a major supplier at Franklin Empire of one of the leading manufacturers of connectors. And today Danielle's going to be showing us an alternative solution to grounding.
Exactly. Thank you, Kara. One of the things I want to show is that the conventional way of doing a ground, connecting a H-beam or a building to the ground grid is by using a G-stud. The G-stud usually is connected and welded onto the H-beam in a fashion where it's permanently there, and afterwards a cable from the ground grid comes up and is connected with a G-figure or a C-figure and crimped onto the G-stud permanently. This is the conventional way of doing this. What we have here, if ever there's a solution that is needed where welding is not allowed in the environment, is that we have the YGIB connector. The YGIB connector is a compressed type of connection or solution to grounding. Basically, this acts like your H-beam. As you know, most H-beams have, phased off on one side, and so is the connector itself. When we do this is that we take the connector and we put it directly onto the H-beam. Of course, the H-beam has to be grinded right down to the metal, and each one of the YGIBs comes automatically with the penetrox inside. When this is done is that you connect it, you place it in position, and then you take the PAT 750, for example, one of our Burndy tools, along with the right die configuration needed to do the compression. Basically what it is, you come in and you compress 5 times onto the connector. Once the connector is connected permanently onto the H-beam, as you notice there's 2 plugs at the end. The 2 plugs are there to protect the threads because basically what it is that prior to doing that, you do your, I was doing so well. But you could cut that, right? Okay. Basically what you do is that you take your cable from your ground grid and you put a lug, a 2-hole lug. From there, you take the plugs out and then you connect your connector right directly onto the YGIB with the proper nuts and bolts. And this way is a different solution to grounding your building onto your existing ground grid. Another application that could be used is for grounding equipment. For grounding equipment, we have the YGB, and the YGB, basically what it is, it's one connector where you come in and you put the one cable through, and this is usually connected from an equipment to a L-shaped 1/4 inch steel. Again, you grind it right down, you take the same PAT 750 and you compress it for it to be compressed permanently. And that way it's a different way of doing it.
Thank you very much. Interesting solution. And don't forget, all Burndy products are available at Franklin Empire across Quebec and Ontario. For more information, visit FEinc.com or the Burndy website. Thank you very much.